Hevy app review. Is it honestly worth it? Pros and cons. Hevy is a well-liked workout tracking and gym logging app in 2025, tailored for weightlifters and fitness fans. It features a clean, user-friendly interface for planning routines, logging sessions, and monitoring progress through detailed charts displaying volume, reps, and 1 rep max. The app offers hundreds of exercises with high-quality video demonstrations, the ability to create custom exercises, and social elements like following friends' workouts for added motivation. Hevy also integrates with Apple Watch, includes automatic rest timers, and offers a dark mode. However, many advanced functions such as unlimited routines and deeper analytics requires a paid Hevy Pro subscription. Some users have noted that editing dates for previous workouts could be made easier. Overall, Hevy stands out as a dependable free tracker, perfect for lifters focused on tracking performance, while the Pro version unlocks greater customization and insights. Subscribe.